In today's video, I'll show you how I made this sumptuous bread toast. Let's get right into it. First, I'll place my frying pan on the fire, spread a little butter on it, and I begin to drop my bread one after the other. You see, I'm going to flip the other side over to make sure both sides is well toasted. I'll continue the process till I'm done with every other bread I have. You can see I spread the butter. I'll start adding the bread for it to toast a little. I just had to turn down the heat because the heat was quite much. It was high. The heat was high, so I had to turn it down a little. So next I'm going to make the filling, and for that I'll be needing 1 can of sardine. To that I added some blended pepper. I'm going to mash it all together. Next I'm going to add some mayonnaise to it. I'll stir to combine. So next I'm going to start spreading it on my bread. So this is perfect for your breakfast. You can pair it with tea or any drink of your preference. Your kids can take it to school. You might also decide to sell, hereby placing it in a transparent container just like you see me do. You can see fancy food transparent container. See how beautiful it looks. This is another good business idea. For the next video, I'll be needing 2 boiled eggs. So you can see I made this with the 2 eggs and other ingredients. So after boiling the eggs, you take out the yolk from the egg white. Cut the egg white into small pieces. Place the egg yolk in a bowl, break it into pieces, add some mayonnaise to it, stir to combine. Now we should add some blended pepper, which is completely optional. I'm adding some chopped tomato, stir also to combine. Adding the chopped egg white, so I'm trimming the bread, which is completely optional. So next I'm going to rub some butter on each of the bread slice, just like so. I'm going to stuff the mixture into the middle of each of the bread. So I don't know how I missed that video clip. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful and it tasted so good. Thanks for watching. Bye.